We'll be learning about public speaking today. We're all at different stages in terms of our confidence level, and it's okay. There's no right or wrong where you are. One pair will walk away with the trophy to take back to their school. Am I speaking like this, like a little mouse? Or am I speaking really low? It's not about winning, it's about collecting skills.
Ramadan is not just a time of abstaining from food and drink.
Imagine living in an accepting environment where you can be yourself.
Is the past or present more influential?
And in third place, second place. For the first place, we have Amina and Ran.
We did not expect it at all whatsoever.
Alhamdulillah, it was a really nice surprise.
Yeah,
I think I really enjoyed this.
Yeah.
From the get-go, you were really engaged. And as a group of students, it's probably one of the most engaged students I've ever worked with.